Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are still thrilled. So in this video we are going to talk about YouTube and how to link your YouTube to your social platform such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and by so doing you get means of communicating with your followers and then directs traffic to your YouTube from your followers, and that definitely boosts your YouTube viewing time, viewers, and subscribers. So without further ado, let's get into it. First of all guys, you need to have a YouTube studio. That's this app here I'm talking about. So if you don't have this app, just go to your Play Store, download this app. Once you have downloaded the app, you can then now go to your browser. It can be Google, it can be Safari. Mostly I use, so just type studio and pick up YouTube Studio. Okay, after it is opened, to the left of the menu you need to go on and click on this icon. It's called customization. And then once customization is open, on layout you can set up a channel. You can set up a channel trailer for people who have not subscribed. So you do that by just going on and click there to choose a video that you would like to provide for viewing from your audience, and click change video. That is, if you want to change a video, then you can choose from the variety of the videos and just click any one that you would like to be on the profile. You can go on and also set the featured video for returning subscribers. So the featured video or the trailer video, I recommend that you choose the video that you believe it's just got the best quality and viewers might be more focused on it, so that you get more viewers and subscribers and also viewing hours. Secondly, you can go to branding. With branding, you can also set a banner. You can upload. You can set that subscribe button to end of your video, or you can customize it, give it any minutes or seconds that you want it to appear on the video. Lastly, you can go to basic information. So this is where my most focus is on today guys. So first of all, the channel name already appears, and just below there is channel description. You need to describe in there of what the channel is about, so that quickly drags the people's attention to your channel here. So as you can see, if you're linking your channel to the social platforms, there are 5 links, so you can link up to 5 platforms. It will allow you to do that. So already I've linked 3 platforms. So if you want another one, you just click on add link, and then now you need to go to your platform and copy the URL and paste it here. Exit. So go to your browser, type www.instagram. So once you are in Instagram, click on this icon picture, and then click on this person thing and click on the browser. So you then get a URL link and copy that and go back to your studio, customization, basic info, add link. First you need to give it a title. I would rather say follow me on Instagram, and you need to paste the URL link and paste. So in some cases you might find out that the link coped with the tagged, so you just remove tagged. So the link has to be your name and your surname and then ends with slash. So once that is confirmed, click done. So this is how it looks like, guys. So same applies with Facebook and TikTok or Twitter, any other platform. You just go to the browser and type www.facebook and click on your profile picture and copy the link and paste it here. Same applies with Twitter, www.twitter. Click on your profile picture and copy the link and paste it here. You can also add your email address here. So if you're done, you can then just go and click publish. If you exit here and go to YouTube and type in your channel's name and search and click your profile picture for the channel and scroll across to about and click about. So as you can see, about this channel, there is the description of the channel, best tutorials, gadgets, educational, inspirational, motivation and fun. And then just below are my links. The first one is linking to Instagram, the second one is linking to TikTok, the third one is linking to Facebook. So you can go to any of the links and click on them. So this will be your viewers going to connect with you from your YouTube. If they click on the first link and open, they connect straight to your Instagram. If they go on the second link and open TikTok, they connect straight to your TikTok. If they go to the third link on Facebook and open, so with Facebook they just need to join or log in, and then as you can see below, there is my profile picture and it's all set and ready for them to log in and chat to me on Facebook. So that's how you link your social platforms to your YouTube, guys. I hope you found this helpful to you. please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for your continuous support.